What is coefficient of variation? Standard deviation divided by mean into 100. Means we require standard deviation, we require mean. Mid value, d dash, ft dash, ft dash square. What we require? One mean, one standard deviation. What we need? Mean. Then we have got a standard deviation. Formula, standard deviation divided by mean into 100. Hello my dear students, I am Dr. B.S. Subramanya, called by name Dr. BSS, Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram First Aid College, a Temple of Excellence, MYSURU. I am going to hand in this session Business Statistics, second semester, Unit 3, Session 5, in favor of measure of dispersion. In that we are going to study coefficient of variation. So, state which series is more consistent. So, variables 10, 20, series A, series B. First we have to do for series A, then we have to do for series B. Here, I will go one by one. We will start. Variables, first one, go with series A. So, what is coefficient of variation? Standard deviation divided by mean into 100. Series A. Class 10 to 20, last number 62, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70. That is given. Then, whatever given is the frequency. Frequency numbers 10, 18, 32, 10, 18, 32, 40, 22, 40, 22, 18. What is the first step to do? Add the frequency. Add the frequency. 10 plus 18 plus 32 plus 40 plus 22 plus 18. 140. 8 plus 2, 10, 12, 20, 2 plus 1, 3, 4, 7, 11, 13, 14. So, n is equal to 140. What is the next step to do? Find out the mid value. Mid value, 10 plus 20 is 30, divided by 2 is 15. 10, 10 difference, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65. So, I took the mid value. 60 plus 70 is 130, divided by 2 is 65. Next step, D dash. You put the first number as 0 assumed. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the next step? FT dash. Frequency into D dash. 10 into 0 is 0. 18 into 1 is 18. 32 into 2, 2 2s are 4, 64. 40 into 3, 120. 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 88. 5 is 90. Add the figure. This is 18 plus 64 plus 120 plus 88 plus 90. 380. So, sigma FT dash 380. Then FT dash square. What is FT dash square? FT dash into D dash. This is FT dash into D dash. So 0 into 0, 0. 18 1 the 18. 64 into 2, 128. 360. 88 into 4. 88 into 4, 352. 88 into 4, 352. This is 450. Add 18 plus 128 plus 360 plus 352 plus 450. Sigma FT dash square is equal to 1308. Now, What is coefficient of variation? Standard deviation divided by mean into 100. Means we require standard deviation, we require mean. We'll go one by one. Mean. A plus or minus sigma ft dash divided by n into c. What is assumed? 15 plus. What is ft dash? 380. What is number of frequency? 140. C is called class into 10 to 20 means 10. This is 15. Simplify this. This is 380 divided by 140 into 10. 27.14. 27.14 plus 15, 42.14. This goes in favor of mean. Now, standard deviation is equal to root of sigma ft dash square divided by n minus sigma ft dash divided by n whole square into c. This is a formula for standard deviation which can be represented by like this. Sigma ft dash square divided by n minus sigma ft dash divided by n whole square. Slowly we can proceed. What is ft dash square? 1308 divided by n is 140 minus what is ft dash? 380 divided by 140 whole square. Class interval is 10. Simplify. Root of 1308 divided by 140, 9.34 minus 380 divided by 140, 2.71 whole square into 10. Simplify. Root of 9.34 minus 2.71 into 2.71. 7.34 into 10 is equal to root of 9.34 minus 7.34 is equal to 2 into 10. Root of 2 is 1.41 into 10. It is 14.1. What is 14.1? So this becomes standard deviation. CV of series A, standard deviation divided by mean into 100. Standard deviation divided by mean into 100. What is your standard deviation? 14.1. What's your mean? 42.14 into 100. Simplify. 14.1 divided by 42.14 into 100. 33.46%. This goes in favor of series A. So what I have done here? First I add the frequency, then I took the mid value. Mid value for all the groups. Now how it's a mid value? 10 plus, this is called lower limit, this is called upper limit. 10 to 20, 20 to 30. Add 10 and 20 is 30, divided by 2 is 15. 10 difference, 15, 25. I put the first number as 0, increasing in values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, multiplied by f into d dash. Then ft dash square means ft dash into d dash. Then apply mean is equal to a plus or minus sigma ft dash divided by n into say 15. 380 divided by 140 into 10. 15 plus 27.14 become 42.14. Come back to standard deviation. Root of sigma ft dash square divided by n minus sigma ft dash divided by n whole square into say 1308 divided by 140 minus 380 divided by 140 whole square. It is 9.34. If we divide then it is 2.71 whole square. 9.34 square of this is 7.34 into 10. 9.34 minus 7.34 is root 2 into 10. Root of 2 is 1.41 into 10 is 14.1. Apply. CV or coefficient of variation of A. Standard deviation divided mean into 100. 14.1 divided by 42.14 into 100 is 32.46. This goes in favor of series A. Now, we'll go with series B. Series 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70. You got up. Now, come back to number. So, 18, 22, 40, frequency, 18, 22, 40, 24, 32, 18, 10, 32, 18, 10. So, what's the first step to do? Add the frequency. 18 plus 22 plus 40 plus 32 plus 18 plus 10. 140. So, n is 140. Now, mid value. This is 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65. Next step, D dash, assume 0. This is assumption, assume 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the next step? F into D dash, FT dash, 18 into 0, 0, 22 into 1, 22, 40 into 2, 80, 32 into 3, 96, 18 into 4, 72. So 10 into 5, 50. 18 into 0, 0, 22 into 1, 22, 40 into 2, 80, 32 into 3, 96, 18 4s are 72, 10 5s are 50. Add the figure. This is 22 plus 80 plus 96 plus 72 plus 50. 320 sigma ft dash 320. Next, ft dash square, ft dash into d dash, 0 into 0, 0, 22 into 1, 22, 80 into 2, 160, 96 into 3, 288, 72 into 4, 288, so 250. Add 22 plus 160 plus 288 plus 288 plus 250, 1008. Sigma ft dash square is equal to 1008. So, we did here mid value d dash, ft dash, ft dash square. What we require? One mean, one standard deviation. We'll go with mean. X mean is equal to A plus or minus sigma ft dash divided by n into C. What is assumed? 15. What is ft dash? 320. Number of frequency 140 into 10. This is 15 plus 320 divided by 140 into 10. 22.85 plus 15. 37.85%. 85. If you want, you can keep it as 35.85. Now, we did mean. So, mean is equal to 37.85. So, we calculate the mean. Now, what we require? Standard deviation. Standard deviation is equal to root of sigma ft dash square divided by n minus sigma ft dash divided by n whole square into c. What is the formula? Sigma ft dash square divided by n minus sigma ft dash divided by n whole square is equal to root. Apply the number now. What is sigma ft dash square? Ft dash square is 1008 divided by 140 minus. What is your ft dash? 320 divided by 140 whole square into 10 is equal to root of 1008 divided by 140 7.2 minus 320 divided by 140 2.28 square into 10 is equal to 7.2 minus 2.28 into 2.28 5.198 5.20 into 10 7.2 minus 5.202 say into 10 root of these 1.41 into 10 14.1. So this goes to standard deviation. CV. CV of series B is equal to standard deviation divided by mean into 100. What is standard deviation? 14.1 divided by your mean is 37.85 into 100. 14.1 divided by 37.85 into 100. 37.25%. First, what we did, mean, then we have got a standard deviation formula. Standard deviation divided by mean into 100. Now, conclusion. So, what's the question they ask? State which series is more consistent. CV of series A, CV of series A, 32.46. CV of series B, 37.25%. So what do you mean here? No, it will vary from 1 year to another year. 32%. Series B will vary 37%, which will vary more. Series B. So more consistent CV of A is less than, here conclusion, CV of A is less than CV of B. So A is more consistent. I'll repeat. CV of series A is 32.46. CV of series B 37.25, which will vary less A. So A is more consistent, which is a better company. We can say that mean of A, average of A, mean of A 42.14, mean of B 37.85. Whose average is more? A's average is more than B's average. A's average is more than B. Therefore, A is a better company. If they ask. So more consistent and more. So the average of A is more than average B. A is more consistent. So we solve the problem of series A and series B, which is more consistent. So CV of A is less than CV of B. A is more consistent. Regarding the average of A is more than average of B. Therefore, A is a better company. Hope you understand. We solve for individual number also. We solve for continuous series also. Hope you understand. We'll move in the next session, what's called next chances correlation in the next unit. So we'll meet in the next session with correlation. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next session.